Hey guys, just making a quick video on croutons. I do these for my turkey soup that I made. And I just wanted to give you a little quick tip. So I make some toast. I like using the wheat bread, and I just cut them into cubes. Simple. It'll save you a lot of money on buying them. Okay. And we're going to you store these in a ziplock bag. So I'm going to use a Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle that on there. It's good to do it while the toast is still warm. Things will stick. I'm going to use a salt and pepper. Now, if you like, you can season them with a little garlic salt or salt, pepper. Okay. Mix them up. And you put them give them a little squish, just to work the cheese into the thing. Okay, now you have some, you can also add some spice if you like a little spicier. Do all sorts of things to them. You can add taco seasoning if you want. Sprinkle them on your soup, salads, anything. Okay, guys? There you go. There's your beautiful croutons. Hope this helped you a little food tip. Bye, guys.